This is the 2021 Parish Episcopal School 3D printed liquid sample retrieval tool. Through the use of 3 syringes and tubes connected to a single fully 3D printed body, it is able to efficiently collect and store 3 different liquid samples. It improves over the 2020 design in many ways, one of which being that it now features a space-saving telescoping design. It also features a new square hex design that increases durability and 3D printer bed adhesion. This is a test of the device in which all 3 liquid samples are collected. Each sample is greater than 50 milliliters and is transferred to a separate container without contamination. The team has also successfully tested the device on our rovers under course-like conditions. The syringes and tubes are color-coded to allow drivers to quickly and easily see which syringe will extract which sample. The check valve at the end of each tube prevents any water from leaking out the end. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.